So I finally found Thomas Grassl in the developer garage. Thomas, thanks for joining me.
Hi Ian.
So we are actually on the last day. It's been quite a hectic week. What sort of highlights have you had this week that you can just mention to the audience?
Well, it's always the thing is like the learning, what the developers are doing, everybody coming to the developer garage here, and to seeing like people spending hours in the developer garage on the tutorials. It's always amazing for me. Also the feedback we're getting, that's like, this really helped me to refine my learnings in the sessions. I had like one guy who was like coming back and forth to say, I went to the session, then I came back here to developer garage, talk to the experts, go through the details, try it out myself, went back to the next session. So this is like great feedback, and I really amazed that we can provide such a great value to everybody.
I'm looking over in the distance and I can see the app space counter, and I noticed that obviously the SAP Cloud Platform is really popular, but ABAP in the cloud is really up there as well.
Yeah, ABAP in the cloud was of course the big teaser. I think I tweeted about it earlier. It's the first time we have ABAP in the cloud here on the show floor in the developer garage. We have the tutorials there. And I think that's it's a nice incentive, and feedback is also like, okay, like it tells them like what they can do, what it is used to. Again, like the experts are there to help them to navigate, and it's a new topic. We have a lot of ABAP developers and a lot of interest, of course, on this topic, and it's great to offer it here. TechEd.
I noticed actually that obviously we had a bit of a revamp of the community and the developer side before coming here, and you mentioned that people are going backwards and forwards between sessions. The amount of developers that know about SAP, developers.sap.com and our tutorials is actually sort of leveling out now at a really nice high level.
Yeah, no, that's the thing was. It's a very important strategy for us, like digital channel. That's where we're investing, because we know all of our developers are basically relying on great information, and we can reach them the best through the web. So the thing what we rolled out is in both sides, on the developer and the community, that we give you more to work with, give you the right information, guide you where to learn more, also show you the paths on where to start, where to go deeper. That's also like some concepts we adopted this year also for TechEd overall, like that we had these learning journeys for the sessions in there, and I think that's overwhelming great feedback. And from the developer website and from the community, it's we want to guide you much more, give you, like, for example, that you have a question about the cloud platform or HANA, you go to the community, now you see already like related questions, but then I imagine also that in the future you see like, here's a related tutorial where you can learn about it, here's a related blog about it, so that people have all these things. And then also what is coming next with the developer side is that you get also your personal experience. So we're doing a lot of in the direction of personalization, that you come in and say like, these are all my systems I signed up, downloaded, here's the progress I've made on the tutorials during TechEd, after TechEd, and that's the direction.
Now I'm sure you're going to be going to Barcelona as well as Bangalore. What do you expect to see in those last two TechEds of the year?
So definitely like the focus for us, like the program, we're not changing it. It's a lot of work to put it all together, and thank also to the team here and everybody out there that they understand they're doing a lot of work to get it happen, make it happen. Barcelona, definitely also I see the same content like cloud platform, ABAP, HANA. Also not to forget the integration we're showcasing with the partners. It will not be only just here in Las Vegas. We bring the partners, Google, AWS, Microsoft and Apple, also to Barcelona. So you can also see like how to use the technology stacks across. So that's great. And like offer a lot of fun. And another thing is also connect with other people. This is a big concept we embedded now into TechEd even more. There's a lot of like seating spaces available, and people also want to meet and find other folks who are in the same boat or shoes and working on the same
I've
topic.
noticed that this year, where obviously we've taken the lunches away from a dedicated lunch area, and there's lots of seats around and people are sitting down, there's lots of new conversations happening. Also in our area, I mean, we've been seeing that for the last few years, but it's nice to see it right away across the whole of TechEd.
Yeah, that's perfect. And feedback from what I hear here is do the same, and that's what we will do.
Excellent. Thomas, have a safe journey home. We'll see you in Barcelona.
See you in Barcelona.